In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony headphones to Bluetooth. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The primary way to connect most models of Sony headphones is going to be through Bluetooth, so as long as you have a device that is compatible with Bluetooth connectivity, you will be able to use them wirelessly. So this will work for any MacBook, any laptop that you have, a PC, as long as they have access to Bluetooth. So in order to do this for most Sony headphone models, all that you have to do is first ensure that Bluetooth is enabled. So on your phone, on your PC, your laptop, your MacBook, go to the Bluetooth settings in the category and then enable it from here. Once it is enabled, you are basically good to go. Now you have to set the actual headphones into pairing mode. To set pairing mode up, usually this will be done by pressing a specific button. It's either going to be right on the power button itself or a separate button altogether. If you are unsure how to set your specific model of Sony headphones into pairing mode, read the manual. But for this model here that I've selected as an example, you can see the Bluetooth icon right beside the power button. So for this particular model, all that you would have to do is press and hold this power button for a few seconds. When you press this down and hold it for a few seconds, the LED will start blinking blue to indicate that it is now in pairing mode and looking for nearby devices to connect to. Now, if you go back into the settings of Bluetooth on your device and you look under the list of nearby devices, you will find the Sony headphones, and all that you have to do now is choose the option to connect. As I've said before, this will work with any device as long as it has support for Bluetooth. You will be able to find that under the available nearby devices, and you can choose it in order to connect to that specific set of headphones, and most models will be compatible natively. Then if you are playing a game or going into a conference, whatever you are doing, just make sure that the output device is set up correctly. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony headphones to Bluetooth. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.